Hey, welcome back. Captain Ron here. Tip of the day, the shaker siphon. I don't know if any of you guys have used that or not, but it's cool. You can buy these on Amazon or truck stops. They come in various sizes as far as the hose diameter. And what they have is a little marble in there that when you shake it, it acts as a pumping motion and gets the siphon, the fuel going. In our flight school here, we try to use auto gas, 93 octane without ethanol in it. And since we're local, we do a lot of local flying and training here, so we don't have to go to another airport to buy aviation fuel, the leaded fuel, which kind of is not as good for your engine, for consistent use of leaded fuel. Anyway, most gyroplanes, they do not have a good vent system in it. So if you use a regular automotive pump nozzle, say at an airport, you have to be very careful. You just can't go in there and squeeze the nozzle 100% because the tank won't vent. It won't vent it fast enough and it'll just blow the gas back in your face. So this is why we use this siphon. And it's cool. This has got a see-through hose on it, and what you can do is you can actually see any contaminants like water especially as you're siphoning the fuel out. Okay, let's give this a shot. All right, here we go. There, and it's going through, and if you had any water or anything, you'll see it going in as little small pebbles going through there. So you still want to, take a fuel sample, but you want to let your fuel set for a while. But I've had good luck with the place I buy this gas from, and I've never had any water in my fuel. But anyway, this larger hose would empty that 5 gallons rather quickly. But anyway, thanks for watching. Fly safe.